Hello and welcome. In this video we are sauteing zucchini in butter and it turned out really tasty. So we are going to start off by preparing the zucchini. Just cut off the edges on both ends and then cut that zucchini in half and split it in half and then into quarters and then just cut that into cubes. So you decide how large or how small you want your cubes to be, but I think this size is perfect because they get to cook well and they still keep the crunchiness. So the zucchini is ready. Now go ahead and heat the pan on high and then add 2 tablespoonfuls of butter, or you could cut it down to 1 tablespoon if you want to have less butter. Once that is melted, just add in the zucchini and then saute that until it browns to your preferred level. So I'm just gonna keep sauteing, and soon the zucchini will begin to brown. At this point I'm gonna crack in fresh black pepper. Again, you can add more black pepper if you want. You can keep it as little as possible, or you can omit it if you do not want black pepper in your zucchini. So I added a little bit more black pepper and some salt. Now you only add salt if you're gonna be eating this immediately, otherwise it's gonna release more fluid, I believe, if you keep it for too long. Yeah, so this is what the zucchini looks like in the end. And I served it with wild rice and salmon. These recipes are all on my channel. Please check them out if you love them, and see you in another video. That's it for today.